Here's how to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. First of all, ensure that you have a professional Instagram account. If not, you can tap on your profile from the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the three lines in the top right. From this page, simply search for professional account and follow the on-screen instructions. This gives you access to more settings, including the Facebook connection. During the setup, you should see a screen about connecting to a Facebook page. But if you already have a professional account and you aren't connected, you need to go to your profile, then tap on Professional Dashboard, then tap on the gear or the cog icon in the top right corner of your screen. And from this page, you need to go ahead and tap on Connect to your Facebook account. Then tap on Continue and then log into your Facebook account, sign into your Facebook account, and then you can select an existing page or create a new one and then tap on Connect. Once finished, you'll see a confirmation that it's connected. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.